Hello students, so today I am taking up this session for class 6th, chapter number 3, playing with numbers, and we'll be solving some questions of exercise 3.3 today. Let me take question number 1. In this question there are some numbers given and we have to check them for divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this is the question number 1. I will take the first number, that is 990. So this we have to check for 2. So this number ends with 0. So yes, it is divisible by 2. For 3 I have to add the digits. So that comes out to be 18. And again if I add, it will come out 1 plus 8, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So yes, it is divisible by 3. For 4 I have to check the last 2 digits, that is 90. So let me divide it by 4. So I will see that it is not completely divisible by 4. So we will write no, it is not divisible by 4. Next I have to check with 5. Since the number ends with 0. So yes, it will be divisible by 5. Then I have to check for 6. Since it is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. So yes, for by 6 also it will be divisible. Now we will check by 8. So the 3 digits we have to check. So whole of 990 I have to check whether they are divisible by 8 or not. We will see that it is not divisible by 8. So no. Then we have to check by 9. So for 9 I have to add the digits again, just like 3. And if this number is divisible by 9, the complete number will be divisible by 9. So that is done. Now I have to check by 10. The number ends with a 0. So divisibility by 10 we will write yes. And for 11, what I have to do is, to check divisibility by 11, I will underline odd place digits and add them. And this is even place digit 9. Then I will take their difference. It comes out to be 0. So this number is divisible by 11. So all the tests are done. Now question number 2 part A. The number is given to be 572. We have to check for 4 and 8. So first for 4 we have to check. So this 2 digit number 72 I have to check. So I see that this number is 72 is divisible by 4. So complete number is divisible by 4. For 8 I have to check the complete number 572. So I see that it is not completely divisible. So with 8 it is not divisible. But by 4 it is divisible. It is passing the divisibility rule for 4 but not for 8. Now we have to check question number 3 part A. I am taking the number is 297144. I have to check for divisibility by 6. So for 6 I will have to check by 2 and by 3. The number ends with a 4. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Now let me check for 3. For checking with 3 I have to add the digits. So the sum comes out to be 27 is the sum, and if I add 2 and 7 again I get 9. So it is divisible by 3. So I get it is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. So yes, the number will be divisible by 6. It is divisible by 2 also and it is divisible by 3 also. So it will be divisible by 6. Now question number 4. We have to check divisibility by 11. The number is, so I have underlined this and put a bar over the other. So this is 5 plus 4, 9. And this is 4 and 5 again. 4 plus 5 again 9. The difference of these two sums is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 11. 5445 is divisible by 11. Next number, I will take one more part of this, 10824, because divisibility by 11 is often asked in the exams. It is important. So you must learn it well. Underline the odd place digits and put a bar over even place digits and take their sum. This will be 4 plus 8 plus 1, which is 13, and here it is 0 plus 2, which is 2. So 13 minus 2 is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11, or 11 is the multiple. So yes, this number 10824 is divisible by 11. Now I will take question number 5, part A. It is given that 6724, we have to fill in this blank such that the number formed is divisible by 3. So this is a blank, let me add all the other digits. So the sum comes out to be 19. Now for a number to be divisible by 3, I need to add 2 more to it, 20 and 21. If this becomes 21 after adding 2, this is 21 is divisible by 3. So if we have a 2 here at this place, then this sum will become 21. So appropriate digit could be 2. This is the smallest possible digit. Now the greatest possible digit is, so I can try, the biggest digit that I can put here is 9. If I put a 9 here, the sum will become 19 plus 9, that will be 28. But 28 is not divisible. So I will reduce it 1, and I can write 8 here, because then the sum will become 19 plus 8, 27, and 27, 2 plus 7 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. So the smallest possible digit we can put here is 2, and the greatest possible digit we can put here is 8. So in both cases, if the number becomes 26724 or 86724, this will be divisible by 3. So 2 and 8 are the answers. Thus you can solve the exercise questions like this. Thank you.